Name of my research topic is novel skip bases and their metal complexes, and I'm going to do my research work on this topic. We know coordination chemistry is the study of compounds that have central metal atom, and ligand is the skip base. Electron pair is shared by skip base, and it is accepted by empty orbital present on the metal ion, and in this way coordination compound formation takes place. Alfred Werner is the pioneer of coordination chemistry. Coordination compounds show very important biological properties which are essential in today's life for entire living kingdom. Skip bases basically is the condensation product of primary amines with carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound may be aldehyde or ketone, and it may take place in aqueous medium, or some alcoholic medium is sometimes required. There are different methods for the preparation of skip bases, and skip bases also have very important biological properties. Very important biological properties due to azomethane group, that is the CN bond, CN double bond. Metal complexes also synthesized in the same manner as like skip bases. It may be in aqueous medium or alcoholic medium, and metal complexes formation takes place. That is, the metal complexes are also known as coordination compound because there is a coordinate bond. One electron pair is shared by skip bases with the metal ion, and in this way metal complexes formation takes place. Metal complexes show more reactivity, more activities than skip bases. Aim of my research work is to synthesize and carry out the spectral properties. It may be IR, NMR, XRD. These are the spectral properties I am going to study, and also the biological activities like anti-cancer, antiviral, anticonvulsant, antibacterial, antipyretic. These are the biological important properties I am going to study of these compounds to synthesize novel skip bases from aromatic amines and carbonyl compounds. To prepare metal complexes, generally using transition metals like copper, nickel, cobalt, zinc, etc., and to characterize, synthesize the skip bases and their metal complexes spectroscopically, and also these compounds are screened for the biological properties, which is the main aim, which is my main goal of the present research work. So synthesis of skip bases and metal complexes, we all know there are two types of generally methods: conventional method, the conventional reflux method, and green synthesis approach, that is using microwave, or sometimes no microwave is also necessary. Just by grinding or by mixing and by stirring, skip bases and metal complexes can be formed. Sometimes micro assisted synthesis has becoming more conventional method in these days for the synthesis in organic and inorganic chemistry. It is very convenient and eco-friendly method. Therefore, I am going to use this method in my research work as far as possible. The use of microwave not only shorten the reaction time but also increases the product yield and purity of the product also. Azomethane group is known to be biologically active due to its anti-tumor, antifungal, antimicrobial activities. It is the most significant in chemistry and biology. Metal complexes are also to be prepared in by means of micro irradiation, and wherever it is possible, I am going to prepare metal complexes by simply mixing and grinding or stirring bases. The ligands and its complexes will be characterized spectroscopically and screened for biological activities. Targeted outcomes, going to characterize the skip bases and metal complexes spectroscopically. For example, NMR spectrum, XRD spectrum, IR spectrum. My main goal is to prepare such skip bases and metal complexes which are highly useful as an anti-cancer, antiviral agents, and also play important role as a catalyst in the industrial field. With these other biological activities like antipyretic, antimalarial, antifungal, antibacterial, etc., will be studied for these compounds. This is also my expected outcome of these compounds of this work. Also, another important thing in my research will be my preference will be to green approach, green synthesis. I am going to try my best to do maximum work eco-friendly, because if nature survive, then we will survive. Thank you very much for giving me chance to present my research work activity here. I am very thankful to HRDC coordinator Dr. Bandela sir, PhD pre-PhD coursework coordinator Dr. Bharti madam, and respected our departmental coordinator Dr. Bapu Shinte sir. I am very thankful to all of you, and I am also very thankful to my guide Dr. Sunil Mirgane sir, because he is nicely guiding me in my research work, and I am thankful to all of you, to all my friends. Thank you very much.